Alright, boys and girls, not my normal camera setup, but we're going to take a look at some ball motion for the Blizzard Zero, the first Blizzard in the swag line. I'm going to start my feet on 20, play more direct, move 5 each shot to my left, and change my hand position accordingly. Let's see what the ball looks like. If you haven't already pre-ordered yours, I would. This ball is really good. Throwing a little bit with it, not much. This is pretty much out of box. You can see that straighter shot, it wants to pick up and go. I would really have to get out the back to get that shot to hold. But let's go 5 left. There's a pinch tight on that. We'll throw that shot one more time. So, kind of like the first shot, not a lot coming around the ball, a lot more out the back. We're going to move 5 more left, change hand position. So real good, stronger, solid ASIM. Got lots of stored energy on the back end. So 5 more left. So on that, I deserved a 7-pin. I didn't quite hit the ball at the bottom. I was a little lazy on it, but the ball still got to the pocket. A lot of times you can still carry that shot. Unfortunately, I didn't. So we'll throw that shot again. So that one, I didn't get it out as far, but it held the middle of the lane on the house shot and sat really nicely. We'll do one more, see if I can get the ball out a little bit more, come around it, and give it one more look. Alright, there we go. So that was the shot I was looking for. That's the Blizzard Zero. Get yours pre-ordered today. Alright, here's a little bonus clip for you. Tell me if this is something you'd like to see going down the lane. There's your bonus clip for today.